Green ribbon for her dress. Find the total length of ribbon used. What we have to do?
Ma'am, addition. Ma'am,
Here, I'm asking you.
ma'am, addition.
Addition.
Ma'am, addition.
By addition. Wait. Listen.
Addition.
Arya. Only he will give answer. The rest of you have to mute your mic. Arya, tell me.
मैम क्योंकि हमें वो आंसर निकालना है कि कितने रिबन का यूज हुआ है.
Total here. Darshil, stop doing what you're doing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Listen. Here, asking about total length. So total means you have to add. Total means
Add.
you have both
Add.
together. Okay. Together, what will be the length of both? So here you have to add both the length of ribbon.
Yes, ma'am.
Anmol, switch on your video. Yes. Measurement of length. Okay. So this is measurement of
Weight.
weight. है ना?
And next chapter will be capacity.
Yes. Raju goes to the market with his father and they buy vegetables, sweets, fruits. Raju buys popcorn and chocolate for himself. He finds that the weight of any object can be measured with the help of weighing machine. What is weighing machine? This is the weighing machine. You can
Ma'am, that is used to
weigh objects. Okay.
and that is used to check weight it is equal or not. And ma'am, electric weighing machine is also now.
Yes, electronic weighing machine, beam balance. This is called beam balance.
Ma'am, beam balance and then weighing balance, weighing balance, and
Weighing
now
electronic weighing balance. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, gram for lighter objects such as pencil, book, eraser, sharpener, etc. Milligram for lightest objects such as medicine tablets. Okay.
And we use beam balance.
No, milligram. Yes, milligram. And
And
grams
that
for milligram for lightest objects such as medicine.
Weighing balance and electric weighing machine. Ma'am,
1 kilogram is equals to 1000 grams. Who's that? Anmol, yes. You want to ask something, Anmol?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, पूछो क्या पूछना बेटा?
मैम मेरे को आज तक ये समझ नहीं है 1 ग्राम बड़ा होता है कि 1 किलोग्राम बड़ा होता है.
अच्छा, यहाँ देखो 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 ग्राम, है ना? 1000 है ना? और 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 ग्राम. तो अब मुझे बताओ 1 किलोग्राम बड़ा होगा या 1 ग्राम बड़ा होगा? अनमोल.
मैम 1 ग्राम बड़ा होगा.
1 ग्राम बड़ा होगा? कैसे?
नो मैम.
यस, केस लक्ष्य बताओ.
मैम 1 केजी बड़ा होगा.
यस ऋषा.
1 केजी बड़ा होगा. 1 केजी बड़ा होगा मैम. दर्शन सही बोल रहा है.
हाँ, यस. 1 किलोग्राम अनमोल.
यस मैम.
1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू 1000 ग्राम, है ना? 1 किलोग्राम होता है 1000 ग्राम के. और 1 ग्राम कितना होगा? 1000 का 1 पॉइंट होगा 1 ग्राम. समझ आ रही बात? तो 1 ग्राम बड़ा होगा या 1 किलोग्राम होगा बेटा? 1 किलोग्राम के इक्वल है 1000 ग्राम और आप पूछ रहे हो 1 ग्राम. So which is bigger, 1 kilogram or 1000 gram?
1 kilogram. 1 kilogram.
Now it is clear to you, Anmol?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ठीक है. तो 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1000 gram and 1 gram. Which is bigger? Which is heavier? 1000 gram or 1 gram? 1000 gram ना. Okay, so kilogram is bigger. किलोग्राम बड़ा होता है ग्राम से. अभी तो मैंने बताया बेटा 1 किलोग्राम. किलोग्राम is used to weigh heavier objects. Gram is used for lighter objects. And milligram is used for lightest objects. ठीक है? Here. Yes, ऋषा.
हमसे बड़ा होगा.
क्या पूछ रहे हो ऋषा?
पहले मेरे को लगा कि मिलीग्राम है वो ग्राम से बड़ा होगा.
No बेटा, milligram is smaller unit of weight. Okay, measurement of weight. अगर हमको किसी चीज को मेजर करना है तो वेट का वो क्या है? स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट. ठीक है. Now 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram, है ना? So 1000 is equals to 500 and 500. Okay. Now see what you have to do in chapter 12, fill in the blanks. Okay. In your book, what is given? See the board. See the board, everyone. Here, we already know 1 kilogram is equals to 1000
gram.
Okay, chapter 12. So, here, 1000 is equals to
1 kilogram.
500 gram plus 500 gram.
500 gram.
Okay. 5, 5, 10. So 10.
100 milligram.
Okay. Now next. 202. Okay. 2 5s are 2 5s are 2 5s are 10. Okay.
10. 2 5s are 10.
2 5s are 10. So 200 plus 200 5 times plus 200 plus 200 plus 200. 200 times 5 times.
10,000. Yes. The answer is 1,000. Answer is 500.
We have to divide 1,000 in 5. So we will
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ये भी 1000 है, ये भी 1000 है.
here in next
1000 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं वो आया है
10 times. If you have to divide 1000 in, what are you doing, Risha? Risha, don't do that. Okay, if we have to divide 1000 in 10 groups, so each group 100 ग्राम. एक पार्ट में कितने ग्राम आएंगे? 100. ओके. 10 tens are 100, है ना? So 100 tens are
100.
yes.
500 gram is equal to 50 grams.
उसके पढ़ाई करनी है वहाँ पे. उठ तू वहाँ पे बैठ चेयर में लगा के.
See, 200 plus 200 plus 200, 200 then 200. Okay. 200 grams 5 times and 100 grams 10 times. So what will come here? 100, 100 and 100.
Ma'am, answer is 1,000.
Yes, 1000. Beta, we have to divide 1000 5 times.
Yes, ma'am. Milligram is the gram. Answer is 1 kg.
यस यस, ये 1 kg को आपको 5 पार्ट्स में और 10 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है। तो ईच पार्ट में कितने ग्राम आएंगे? अगर हमको 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है तो 200 ग्राम, 10 पार्ट्स में करना है तो
200 grams, ma'am.
ओके। The standard unit of measuring weight is
Question number 5.
देना इसको निकाल के।
yes
Number 500 grams equals to
इधर आ।
मैम kilograms. Grams होगा फर्स्ट का आंसर.
yes
Weight of a gold is measured in
इधर आ।
of
kilogram.
ग्राम नहीं होगा, बोल गोल्ड सेकंड वाला ग्राम बोल।
मैम सेकंड वाला ग्राम. ग्राम. Form of gram is milligram. G. मैम G आएगा वहाँ पे. G and lightweight objects is weighted in milligram. Heavy object
lightweight
kilogram.
objects are weight-
Kilogram.
Beta listen.
Gram. Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Now listen to me. Don't unmute yourself without my permission. The standard unit of measuring weight is kilogram. Okay. Now, weight of gold is measured in gram. Okay. The short form of gram is G. यहाँ देखो. So short form of gram is G. है ना?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Weight objects are weighed in ग्राम. ठीक है, जो लाइट वेट, जो हल्की होती है उसके लिए हम ग्राम का यूज करते हैं. ओके. नाउ
Excuse me, ma'am.
heavy objects are measured in kilogram. ठीक है. Now conversion of unit. How
Excuse
to
me, ma'am.
yes लक्ष्य.
मैम जो गोल्ड वाला है ना,
हाँ.
मैम मैं दादा बोले कि उसको किलोग्राम में मेजर करते हैं.
Weight of gold is measured in gram. बेटा ग्राम आएगा इसमें.
ओके मैम, मिटा के साइन कर दूंगा.
हाँ ग्राम आएगा. ठीक है. नाउ कन्वर्जन ऑफ यूनिट्स. इसको आपको कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है ये देखो आप. 5 kg इक्वल्स टू 1000 kg.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी.
यस रिशा.
Anchor number 1. The standard unit of measuring weight is gram ना.
किलोग्राम.
केजी लिखना है कि किलोग्राम लिखना है?
केजी लिखो. केजी.
The weight of gold is measured in gram.
Now, next question.
The light of
Okay, next exercise C. Change into grams. So 6 kilogram is equals to. See what you have to do. See the screen, everyone.
मैम 6000 ग्राम.
Okay, wait.
मैम समझाएगी पहले.
First you have to see this. What you have to do. पहले देखना है कि आपको इसको हमको कैसे करना है ना?
इसको करना है ना, पहले वाला करना है.
You have to solve it. Change into grams. Exercise 2. Change into grams. Mute your mic, everyone. 6 kg. What will be the 6 kg is equal to dash gram. Okay. 1 kg is equals to. अभी मैंने बताया 1 किलोग्राम is equals to 1000
1000 ग्राम.
1000
1000 ग्राम.
1000 gram. Okay, 1000 gram. So 6 kilogram is equals to 1000 multiplied by 6.
6.
Okay.
6,000 grams. 6,000 grams.
6,000 grams.
Gram.
Okay. 6 kilogram is equals to 6,000 gram. Okay. Now next. 8 kilogram and 295
Ma'am,
grams. 8 kilogram
अब पता ना
and 200
1800 ग्राम.
weight and mole. 8 kilogram. So 8 kilogram is equals to 8,000 grams.
8,000 grams. 295 grams.
Plus have to add 295. Okay.
8,295 is the answer.
मैडम कहाँ चली गई?
295.
अरे तो 20% हो गया अपने साथ तो. आंटी 20% ले लो. आंसर होगा
You have to solve.
कन्वर्जन के.
कैसा?
इसको ये करना है पहले.
3,000
ये क्या हो गया?
Okay. In this way you have to solve. Now next, what is next? Change into kilogram and gram. Change into kilogram and gram. Change into kilogram and gram. So what is the first question? 3,546. 3,546 gram. Okay. 3,000 gram plus 546 gram. So 3,000 gram is equals to 3 kilogram. And 546 gram. Okay. 3 kg and 546 gram. Okay.
मैम कन्वर्ट.
Yes.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन तो 4,325 ग्राम्स है. 4 kg 25 ग्राम्स होगा और 9,050 ग्राम्स का होगा 9 किलोग्राम एंड 50 ग्राम्स.
Which question, Akshay?
Then conversion of gram into kilogram and gram.
Which question, beta?
Kilogram and gram. Question number 1 and 2.
Exercise 2. Is it clear to everyone or you have any doubt? Is it clear to everyone?
कौन सी गोटी?
कैरल की गोटी
किसके घर की?
अनिल काका कहते हैं.
You have to mute your mic, everyone. Just now I told.
Nope. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now you have to complete this. आप सभी ये complete कर लेंगे? Grams, kilograms? Yes. Lakshya, what I'm asking to you?
Yeah.
जी.
What, ma'am?
Now after this, exercise 3. In this you have to add
जी आ रही है.
kilogram and gram.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to
इसके मैम मेरे 4 हो चुके हैं.
Okay, try to
जी ठीक है.
try to solve this question.
ये अलग कर रहा.
You have to solve exercise.
वो दे. 8-4 में आ गई मैं.
Okay, beta, everyone, you have to solve exercise 2 and 3. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay? Okay, everyone, bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Nice day. Bye, everyone. Have a nice day, you all.
Bye, beta.
Bye.